this is not your average 964 Porsche resto mod, because in here, I didn't even tell you guys yet, in here, the big surprise, this is a 997.1 GT3 engine. So this is a Metzger engine, a 3.6 liter, which is super amazing. Oh, that is just filthy. That was like 8,250 RPM, something like that. You get some red shift lights there in the rev counter. Wow, 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 wow. So we have a little bit more room to play with now, and you can definitely feel that the throttle sharpness has been turned up. It responds way more directly. So let's go for full blip for the gearbox as well. So let's hear that. Oh. Also, the suspension is super comfy. It soaks everything up. Like, I mean, you only have 5 relatively short gears, but that doesn't really matter. Oh! Listen to that. Just wow. It is no longer the Cooper as it used to be. This now is a K24A swapped Mini. So let's check out Jeroen's handiwork. We've got a K24A engine. Oh, this engine in this car, it works so freaking well. Listen to that. Oh, that is so lovely, Jeroen. Oh, the gearbox is actually pretty nice as well. You just have to get used to it a little bit. The clutch as well, the throttle, that brick throttle. That's 6th gear. 100 to 200 we did 17.15, which is perfectly fine. I don't really care really about that. I just, it's all about the driving in this one. It is quite empty today. That's pretty nice. So we're at 230 almost. It's pretty stable, I would say. It is quite loud. But we are also nearing the top speed. I think it's quite windy today. A BMW Z4 E85 by Manhart, and that means that some very cool stuff has been done to this car. Spoiler alert, it has a V10 from a BMW M5 E60. There it is. Oh my god. So we've got a sport button right here, which you have to press to get the full amount of horsepower, and we are going to turn off traction control because otherwise it restrains so much. The power is limited so much because it is just all over the place. Oh, so aggressive when you have it like at full whack. High RPMs, it just spins the wheels. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Am I in heaven or what? Full throttle, 3rd gear. Oh yes, it's fast. 1.13, full throttle, 4th gear. We are taking a look at this engine swapped BMW 118i convertible. It's basically the exact opposite of a badge wanker. And it's called the S65 BMW M V8. It sounds like no other E90 or E92 V8 we've ever had. And that is down to that single mid-pipe. I really like that modification. It truly changes the character of that engine, the character of that sound. Man, oh man, what a car. Now this is a 1997 model and it's got an engine swap. Now normally we have a cute little Rover engine in this, but now we have this. Ooh, it's hot. This is a Honda K20 A2. My God. But this is just one level up. This is unmatched when it comes to driving experience. It's absolutely insane. Now, I've driven quite a lot of supercars this year and I cannot think of a single one that beats the driving experience of this. My God, it's loud.